In this session, let us see how to draw this figure. First, let me go to Autocad and set the limits. So go to Autocad, the limits, lower left is 0, 0 and the upper right is 10, 10. Then go with zoom all. Now look at the figure. First I am going to draw the left side circles, that means these two circles. If you see here, the dimensions are clearly specified. The inner circle dia is 1 and the outer circle dia is 2. Then after creating these two circles, I am going to draw the right side circles. In fact here they are arcs, but directly if I go with circle, it will be easy for me to pick as well as to specify the dimensions. So let me draw this figure by going with Autocad. First let me go with construction line. One is vertical, place it, and the other one is horizontal. So again go with Excel, horizontal, and place it. Now I am going to use the intersection point of these two construction lines which I created as the center for the left side two circles. So go with now draw circle, center diameter. I need this intersection point, so pick the intersection point and the diameter is 1. Then again same option, draw circle, center diameter, pick the intersection point and the diameter is 2. Now next, to draw the right side circles, I am going to draw one more circle which I will be using as reference, and the radius of this circle is 3. So go with draw circle, center and radius. Then you can pick the center and the radius is 3. And after creating this, I am going to draw one more construction line at an angle of 40 degrees, and this line will help me to pick the intersection point and to define the center for the top two circles. So go with Excel. Now I want angle, so go with A, enter. Angle is 40 degrees, so 40, and then you can pick the intersection point. Now let me draw the circles on the top as well as at the bottom, and the radius is given as 0.5 and 1. So I am going to draw circle, center and radius. Pick the intersection point, radius is 0.5. Then again the same option, draw circle, center, radius, pick the center and the radius is 1. Then similarly, if I want, I can draw at the bottom, or even if I want, I can use the copy command, copy it and place at the required position. Now let me go with copy. So I am going with CO, select the objects, these two objects, then enter. Now the base point is nothing but the intersection point or the center of these circles. Then the destination point, let me pick here at the bottom. Now go with escape. So we got the circles even at the bottom. Then after completing the circles, we need two arcs. One is on the top and the other one at the bottom. Now first let me draw the bottom, and I can draw this bottom one using fillet command, and the fillet radius is nothing but 3. Go to Autocad, say F, enter. Now here radius value I want to specify, so go with R, enter, and the radius is 3. Now I can pick the first object and the second object. So we got the bottom arc. Then to create the top one, I cannot use the fillet command, so that is the reason let me go with circle. So in Autocad I am going to draw circle, and here I want tan radius, because that arc is tangent to the top circles, as well as the radius value is given as 5. So I can go with tan radius. First it is asking specify the point on the object for the first tangent. So I can pick here, and on the other object also I am going to define the tangency point. Then the radius I am giving as 5. So this is how we got the circle. Now I can trim out the unwanted portion. So go with TR, double enter and trim it. You can zoom the area and slowly you can trim out the unwanted portion. Then let me delete the remaining circle. So with this we got the top arc. Now let us see what is the remaining things, and in this we are left with these arcs, and I can use arc option because I know the center, I know the start point, as well as I know the end point. So simply by going with center, start, end, I can create these 4 arcs. So go with AutoCAD, draw arc, center, start, end. So this is the center, this is nothing but the start point and the end point. You can zoom that area clearly and you can pick the points. So once again I am going with the same option, arc, center, start, end, center, start point and the end point. Then again the same option, center, start, end, pick the center, start point and the end point. Then again draw arc, center, start, end, pick the center, pick the start point, and then you can pick the end point. Now if you want, you can trim the unwanted portion of the circles which we have drawn first. So go with TR, double enter. I don't want this as well as this. Similarly for the inner circle. Then at the bottom you can trim out, then go with escape, and then let me delete these arcs. So now if you see here, we have the figure, the complete figure, and even if you want, you can trim out this reference circle. You can just draw a line here and even one more line at the bottom, and you can trim out the unwanted portion. For that, let me go with the line command, a simple line, pick 2 points. Similarly at the bottom again I am going with line. Let me draw here a line, then go with trim command, TR, double enter, trim out this as well as this. Then the extra portion you can directly delete it, and then you can change here the line type using properties. So this is how easily we can draw the figure with the help of circles, arcs, fillets. Then how to draw the next figure we are going to see in the next session.